Tackle any cleaning need with State's versatile Triple O all-purpose cleaner. Triple O is a powerful 3-in-1 cleaner, degreaser, and deodorizer. Its water-soluble formula is a safer alternative to harsh acids and solvents, while still making quick work of dirt, grime, and grease. It also cleans a wide variety of surfaces and leaves behind a pleasant citrus scent. Triple O is perfect for cleaning virtually any washable surface in industrial maintenance settings. Use Triple O on walls and floors, appliances, sinks, vinyl and plastic, ceramic tile, metal surfaces, windows, equipment, and more. Triple O is effective using a variety of application methods, including mopping, spray bottles, and pressure washing. Clean, degrease, and deodorize with Triple O, another quality solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.